Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to consider Biology Paper 1 as an exam brief build-up lesson, and we are going to use a 2020 GCE exam, placing our full focus on question 1. And as someone taking biology to be compulsory with that intention in order to emerge victoriously in an exam, it's important to understand that under question 1 of biology paper 1, be it even for paper 2, there is specialization of cells. If not, there is an application under characteristics of living organisms. The question says, which of the following is not a characteristic of all living organisms? A, excretion; B, photosynthesis; C, reproduction; D, respiration. Amongst the answers that are given, there is that chance we need to create in order to be creative, thereby relating our idea in seeing what are the targets and the main focus in the question. The question says is not. This is the specification, which means 3 answers are of the same category or apply to all living organisms. But one of the answers could possibly be restricted to only occur in one different organism or one type of an organism. When we talk about excretion, we all by now should know that excretion is the removal of toxic waste products of metabolism, and this is an important process inside the body of every living organism for the purpose that it contributes to the normality in the functioning of the body, thereby removing substances that can be poisonous. When we talk about B, photosynthesis, this is the process in green plants where small molecules of carbon dioxide and water are going to combine in the presence of sunlight energy combined by chlorophyll, thereby forming glucose. If we can see, only plants in an ecosystem or an environment are called producers for the fact that they photosynthesize. So this process only occurs in plants. Then C, reproduction. Reproduction is the process in which parents are able to produce their young ones. Then D, we're going to talk about respiration, which is a process, and especially in cells, that can lead to production of energy. So reproduction applies to all organisms for continuity of life. Respiration is there in order to ensure that there is production of glucose for the survival of an organism. So the main answer that is totally biologically different is photosynthesis, for the fact that this only applies to plants being producers in an ecosystem, an environment, a food chain, or a food web. I hope you find this video very much beneficial. Make sure you follow for more for such brief exam beneficial revisions. This has been your tutor, Mr. Sensor. For now, till in the next video, it's a very goodbye.